Airports are supposed to be gateways to adventure, but they can also be full of sneaky traps. In this video, we're breaking down the top 20 airport scams to look out for in 2025. These scams can cost you time, money, and even your identity. But don't worry, we'll also tell you exactly how to avoid them. But first, welcome to Possum Earth. Did we miss any scams you've seen? Please comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, check out the links in the description. Now let's get started. Number 1. Fake Wi-Fi networks. Cyber criminals create fake Wi-Fi hotspots that look legitimate, often named something like free_airport_Wi-Fi or airport_public_network. When travelers connect, these scammers can monitor online activity, steal passwords, or install malware. This type of attack is called a man-in-the-middle attack, where the hacker positions themselves between you and the legitimate network. How to avoid it? Ask airport staff for the official Wi-Fi name. Never enter sensitive information like banking credentials over public Wi-Fi. Use a VPN if you must connect. Number 2. Unlicensed taxis. Outside arrivals, you may be approached by friendly drivers offering rides. These taxis are not regulated, so they can charge 5 to 10 times the normal fare, drive you in circles to run up the meter, or even rob passengers. How to avoid it? Only use official taxi lines or ride-hailing apps like Uber, Grab, or Bolt. Check for ID, a meter, and a licensed plate number before getting in. Number 3. Luggage theft at security. At crowded security checkpoints, thieves work in pairs. One distracts you or causes a delay, while the other walks off with your laptop, purse, or backpack before you get through the scanner. How to avoid it? Place your items on the conveyor only when you're ready to walk through. Keep your eyes on your bins until you're reunited with them. Number 4. Counterfeit currency exchanges. Fraudulent currency exchangers promise amazing rates but slip counterfeit or outdated currency into your change. Some simply short you by giving less than agreed. How to avoid it? Use ATMs inside the airport from major banks. If exchanging cash, count your money and inspect each bill. Number 5. Phony airport officials. Scammers dress in fake uniforms and approach travelers asking to check passports, boarding passes, or luggage for random inspections. They may steal documents or valuables during this fake search. How to avoid it? Real officials never ask to inspect bags away from their desks. Ask for a supervisor or refuse and report them to airport security. Number 6. Overpriced airport transfers. Some private car services quote a low fee but add surprise costs later like luggage charges, tolls, or taxes. How to avoid it? Book airport transfers in advance through reputable companies. Confirm all fees in writing or through the app. Number 7. Travel document scams. Fake websites and airport kiosks pretend to offer visa services, boarding passes, or travel insurance, and then steal personal and financial info. How to avoid it? Always check URLs for legitimacy. Stick to official government or airline sites for any travel documentation. Number 8. Fake hotel booking agents. At arrival, someone may tell you your hotel is full or closed, then offer a deal at a different hotel. It's usually overpriced or non-existent. How to avoid it? Call your hotel directly using the number from your booking confirmation. Never trust unsolicited advice about cancellations. Number 9. Baggage wrapping scams. Scammers wrap your luggage with thin plastic, then demand extra fees midway through or after wrapping. Some even intentionally damage bags to force you into paying for repacking. How to avoid it? Use only official airport services with set pricing. Look for signs or ask at the information desk. Number 10. Pickpocketing and distraction thefts. Teams of thieves use distractions like spilled drinks, loud arguments, or fake petitions to divert your attention while they steal your phone or wallet. How to avoid it? Stay alert in busy areas. Keep bags zipped and in front of you. Don't engage with strangers who are too pushy or physical. Number 11. SIM card scams. Scammers sell SIM cards that are already used, deactivated, or grossly overpriced with poor network coverage. How to avoid it? Buy SIMs from airport kiosks operated by real phone carriers, or wait to buy from official stores in the city. Number 12. Duty-free shopping scams. Unlicensed shops might look like regular duty-free stores but sell expired, fake, or defective products at inflated prices. How to avoid it? Stick to big, recognizable brands or chain stores. Compare prices and check expiry dates. Number 13. Charity donation frauds. You're approached by someone with a clipboard collecting donations for a charity that doesn't exist. Often, they push you to donate in cash. How to avoid it? Politely decline. If you want to support a cause, donate directly through their verified website. Number 14. Fake petition signings. Someone asks you to sign a petition to support a cause. While you're signing, their partner steals from your pocket or bag. How to avoid it: walk away. Don't engage with petitioners in busy areas. Number 15. Credit card skimming at ATMs. Criminals install tiny skimming devices on ATMs to capture card info, along with hidden cameras or fake keypads to steal PINs. How to avoid it: use ATMs inside banks or near security. Wiggle the card slot if it moves, it might be fake. Cover your PIN when typing. Number 16. Impersonation of co-travelers. Someone chats with you while waiting, offering to watch your bags or help with directions. They seem friendly, then vanish with your luggage or phone. How to avoid it: don't trust strangers with your belongings. Keep everything within arm's reach at all times. Number 17. Bait and switch taxi fares. The driver quotes a low fare, then halfway through says it's per person, or claims a meter isn't working and demands more. How to avoid it: confirm the total fare upfront. Use apps or insist on using the meter. Number 18. Rental car scams. Shady agencies charge for fake damage, rent out unsafe cars, or make you sign contracts in a language you don't understand. How to avoid it: use trusted rental brands. Inspect and photograph the car thoroughly before and after use. Number 19. Spiked food and beverages. Someone offers you free food or drinks, usually at a bar or lounge. It may be drugged so they can rob you once you're unconscious. How to avoid it: never accept consumables from strangers. If you leave your drink unattended, don't finish it. Number 20. Fraudulent travel insurance. Fake insurance sellers offer great prices but provide no actual coverage. When you try to file a claim, they're unreachable. How to avoid it: only buy insurance from reputable companies, either directly through your airline, travel agency, or known providers. Traveling should be exciting, not stressful. By knowing what scams to look out for, you can protect yourself and enjoy the journey. Share this video with someone who's flying soon, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart travel tips. Did we miss any scams you've seen? Drop them in the comments. Also, check out the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Safe travels. Bye.